Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page scrolling screenshot in Firefox. You don't need any software or extension for this because Firefox supports its built-in to take full page screenshot. Open Firefox browser, then navigate to the page you want to take full page screenshot. After that, right click anywhere on this one page and click on this one take a screenshot option. Now at the top you will see two options. Click on this one save full page. That's it. Firefox will capture the entire page automatically. Just click on this one download button and you will see a screenshot has been taken by Firefox. If you use another browser, I have also created videos for full page screenshots in Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You can find the links in this one video description. Bye.